In this video, we will be creating a custom menu, and using that we will take a screenshot. Unity includes a simple way to customize editor menus and menu items, the menu item attribute, and you can apply this to any method in your script. If you have a function for your project that you will use frequently, organize them into a menu item. This allows you to build a basic user interface with just a single property attribute modifier. Create a new script with the name of screenshot taker. For this video, I will be demonstrating a custom menu with screenshot taker. Open this script and we will be reviewing the code that I have already written. Now pasting the code, and this method will take a screenshot of the game view, and it's a non-mono behavior class, and we will be using Unity editor, system and system.io. At line number 11 and 12, checking for the directory. If it doesn't exist, creating a new one, and it's taking a screenshot using a screencapture.capture screenshot and passing the file name with the date. And next we will be linking this with the custom menu. And remember, it's a static method. Above this method, in the square brackets, write menu item, and in the parentheses pass the custom menu hierarchy. Here we are saying the My Tools is the main parent menu, and after the slash we are writing a screenshot, and the screenshot will be the actual button that we will press to take a screenshot. Actually, let's make it take screenshot. That's it on the script side. Now let's open the Unity. Here we have a new menu with the name My Tools. Open it and click on the take screenshot. By clicking it, it will save a screenshot in a project in a screenshot folder. To view the saved screenshot, let's open the assets in the Finder. And here we have our screenshot folder. Let's open it, and there we have our actual screenshot. As we can see, it's the same view that we have in the game window. Let's open the screenshot. And now I will be adding few random 3D game objects to build a basic scene, and then we will take a screenshot of that. And now let's take a screenshot again. Open the My Tools and click on Take Screenshot. To view the actual screenshot, the process is the same. The screenshot folder, it's not inside the asset folder. It's in the main project folder where we have the asset folder as well. So now you see how the custom menu is working. And now let's say we need one more button in the My Tool menu and for some functionality, and we will be creating a static method for that functionality. Let's say I want to smooth all the meshes. So I will be creating a method smooth all meshes. For now, I'm not writing anything in it. It's just a dummy method to test the custom menu. Quickly copying this menu item line and pasting it here, and just changing the name after the slash. Let's make it smooth all meshes. And now switch back to Unity, and now we should have two buttons inside My Tools menu. And that's it for the custom menu. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next.